Hey everybody, it's Felix. I'm excited to announce that I'm working with Melissa Whitmer on the Ultimate Skills project. The modules I'm working on are all about catching. So we're going to go through the 6 basic ways to catch Frisbee. We're going to have a look at how the angle, the direction of the disc, the speed it's traveling at, and the direction of the spin all have an effect on the most appropriate and the safest way to catch the Frisbee. We're also going to have a look at how you can train yourself just when you're throwing around, so that in heated game situations where everything's really chaotic, your reflex will be to go for the safest, easiest catch, even when you don't have enough time to think about it. We're also going to look at how you can train yourself to vastly improve the versatility of your catching. And now a little bit about me. My name's Felix Shardlow. I've been coaching Ultimate Frisbee for 16 years and playing for 18. As a coach of the Sussex University team, they've won many titles over the last few years. I coached the Great Britain Under-23 team in 2015. I've played on Clapham, I've played on Great Britain Open, I played GB Masters, including last summer at the World Beach Ultimate Championships.
Australia now looking upfield, it's high. There's players from both sides under it, and what a grab!
I started and ran a video production company you may have heard of back in the day called Push Pass Productions, and I founded the hexagon offense and flexagon defense strategies. I've been asked to tell you a little something you don't know about me, so I have 155 solo wins in Fortnite. Nice work, boy. Over the years I've developed quite a good understanding of how the Frisbee behaves when it's caught, when it's thrown, when it's touched, and even how it bounces.
You can't hit.
Are you allowed to do that?
I hope you join us in the Ultimate Skills project for my module on catching, as well as all the other modules by the other coaches. Check out ultraresults.com for more info, and I'll see you soon.